Jotije mag mbalariany oseo piny owacho kuom koso keto maino e ng'anyo margi madhi mbele kendo rocho chenro mag somo e mbalariany mag piny owacho. Ka giloso e gwenge ma Nyeri, jokanyogo kotelnegi kod jagoro Onesmus Mutiso owacho ni jatend migawo mar somo pok obedo gi romo kodgi manyiso ni dwa ket chenro makare. Gimedo ni pod gibiro dhi mbele gi ng'anyo nyaka kete tim winjruok mar tich ma higa 2021 nyaka 2025 kama gidware bilion 9.7 mar keto kare dwachgi. Bende gisiemo jotend mbalariany mondo we bwogo jotijegi manie ng'anyo ni mar chiko yienegi ng'anyo.
Resolve this matter, and you are saying if you are not willing to resolve the issue affecting lecturers, please leave, resign and leave your office. We want people who are serious, people who are ready to engage us. You have seen that the CS is opening a container while lecturers are striking. Seriously? You go to open a container when students are not studying? Are you serious? We want to say that we want people who are serious. The ministry, our mother ministry, the CS and the PS are not serious.
We are on this strike till the government does its part. When we signed the return to work formula, we agreed that we are going to pay our people 7%, 10% increment, and 4% automatic annual increments. We did the simulations in Machakos, and I have seen even in media, they are lying on a broad daylight that the calculations are 4 point something. It is 9.7 billion.
The negotiations must continue, and that's number one, at the national level. Number two, the Dedan Kimathi Roko issues are becoming unbearable. Only last week, one of our lecturers was sacked because he did not teach. One of the reasons is because he did not teach during the strike period.